Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film outside because it's kind of gorgeous and it's almost the end of summer. No better way to prove that than the fall FabFitFun box, which I'm really excited. I'm doing an unboxing for today. It is so pretty. The boxes are always gorgeous, and I've seen this on Instagram a little bit already, so I kind of already know what is in it, but things always come a little different for everybody, you know, what patterns and colors and things that there are in it. So I'm really excited to open this up and see what is inside. So I decided to do a video on it. This is a strong sticker. First thing I see in here is the Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Face Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit. Ooh, that smells really good. Excited to try that out. Next thing we have in here is Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Ooh, Italian collection. I was just in it. And then this Luna Rica Cashew Butter Filled Fruit and Nut Bar. Salted caramel nut. As good as it sounds, I don't like nuts, so I'll probably give this to one of my health friends because they like healthy things. I don't know. Next in here we have two Glam Glow bubble sheets, which I've seen these everywhere, and I'm really excited to try these. I saw them on the pictures online and I was so excited to get these and really try them out. Next we have a beauty blender, which is always amazing. I don't actually own a beauty blender, I own off-brand ones, so I am super excited to try out the real thing. Next we have this Simply Whimsical towel, and actually I really like this color. I know it's just gray and white, but it's very monochromatic and it's very much what I like. Next we have an umbrella. I have an umbrella, but this is a very nice one that comes with a cover, and it's also this black and cream look, which is very monochromatic. This is the Alfred's ceramic and stainless steel teapot. I don't drink tea, but, well, I drink iced tea, but I don't drink hot tea. But this is super, this is super cute. I know some people got those steeping pots, but this is adorable. Next in this box I have Pharmacy Do-It-All Total Eye Cream. Not tested on animals, free of artificial coloring, free of parabens, free of formaldehyde, and contains naturally derived ingredients. Reduces the appearance of dark circles and invisibly improves the brightness of the under eye area. Hey, I mean, I'm all for that. This is the thing I was the most excited for out of everything. I saw it on all the posts and I saw it on the customization part of the website, and I was so excited that I was getting a brush set because your girl can always use some brushes. So I'm so excited to get these new brushes from the brand Crown, and they come in this really like bougie looking package. I'm loving this. I think that might have been everything. Yeah, that's everything. So I'm definitely gonna get the winter box and see those products and probably do another unboxing. If not, I'll just do it on my Snapchat maybe. I was really excited to try out one of the monthly subscription type boxes, and it worked out really well. I got a lot of things that I'm excited to try and a lot of things that I wouldn't have purchased for myself otherwise, but I'm happy that I got. So for this month's box, I used a $10 off coupon that I used from Honey. I love using the Honey extension because it finds every coupon that is possible. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and I will see you guys in my next video.